Aero Autoparts Company Limited was founded in May 2001. It's a comprehensive automobile fittings enterprise specialized in research and development, production, domestic sale, and foreign trade. Orientation of the vulnerable parts of the automobile as a category. Taking the terminal auto repair shop as a customer orientation. Implementing the advanced business model of the whole industry ecological chain of the Internet S2B of the automobile's vulnerable and consumable parts. In the course of carrying out the enterprise mission of electric car owner drive more safely, to build brand calculation of safety fittings must be delivered by the Aero. Realize the enterprise vision of becoming the chain leading brand of China's automobile vulnerable and consumable parts. The enterprise spirit of a group of people, a lifetime, one thing, and a work style of pragmatic, progressive, and efficient, focusing on the development of the industry, has made remarkable achievements. It has 4 Aero manufacture plants, an Aero Autoparts chain brand marketing network, an Aero Autofitting business platform, an Aero business school, an Aero research and development laboratory, 31 provincial service subsidiaries. The Aero Autoparts chain brand marketing network, which has more than 800 chain sales stores in the country, which has become the fastest development speed, the most chain stores, and best development trend in China's auto industry of fragile and consumable parts. Recently, Filter has become the leading brand in the market segmentation of passenger car filters in China's automobile market, and recently Brake and recently Ring Scraper has become the top 10 national famous brands in the industry, delivering star lubricant, synchronous brake disc, and other categories of brands ready to launch. With the rapid development of international brand agency business, it has become the first-class agent of NGK Spark Plug brand in Japan and primary agent of Philips light bulb. On the basis of in-depth understanding, international brands has been highly identified with the business model and the business system of Aero Autoparts enterprise, and gradually formed a strong alliance of auto parts suppliers. Possessed more than 20 patented technology, 7 software copyright, becomes Dongguan Private Science and Technology Enterprise, Guangdong Province Private Science and Technology Enterprise, the National High and New Technology Enterprise. It has become a demonstration enterprise driven by innovation and upgrading in Dongguan, and a demonstration enterprise established by Guangdong civilization. The high-frequency reception comes from the inspection and exchange of local governments and enterprise units. After nearly 10 years of exploration and experience, the Aero Autoparts enterprise has rich industry experience and sharp market sense, and has laid a solid foundation for development, including a clear corporate strategy and advanced corporate culture, perfect corporate governance, innovative business model, scientific organizational structure, efficient business rules, excellent backbone team, stable and expanding market network, strong supply chain, leading independent brands in the industry, iterative upgrade of the internet system, continuous optimization of innovation and entrepreneurship system, harmonious win-win stakeholder relationship, and so on.
在互联网和物联网的时代，我们顺应国家战略的发展，秉承相信创造可能、用心大于技巧的创新理念，朝着千店连锁和京东404的建构契配， 商业生态平台的目标奋进，立志成为中国汽车1手1号件行业的整合者和领航者。
Arrow, as never forgetting the beginning of ideal, continue to move forward. Arrow is committing to uniting many auto parts brands in China and around the world, integrating thousands of auto service terminals in China and work together to develop Chinese auto service market. Worrying that the concept and mission of making car owners safer will surely take root and produce fruitful results. A group of people, a lifetime, and one thing. We will make the drivers safer, and at the same time, they can buy and maintenance cars easily and without a single worry.